You post every day, you follow trends, you use hashtags, but you're still not making money from Instagram. Why? The truth is, most creators are making big mistakes that silently kill their monetization potential. Instagram isn't just a photo sharing app anymore, it's a business platform. And if you're not treating it like one, you're losing out on real income. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 critical Instagram monetization mistakes that many creators make and how you can avoid them to start earning consistently. Mistake 1. No clear niche. One of the biggest reasons creators fail to monetize Instagram is lack of niche clarity. Think about it. One day you're posting memes, the next day a selfie, then a fitness reel. Your audience doesn't know what to expect, and neither do potential sponsors. Brands want to work with creators who have a targeted audience. That means if you're into tech, stick to tech. If you're into fashion, stay consistent with it. A clear niche builds trust. It positions you as an authority. And most importantly, it attracts monetization opportunities that align with your content. If you confuse your followers, you'll lose their attention and their engagement. Pick a niche, master it, grow within it. Mistake number 2. Relying only on brand deals. Many Instagram creators rely only on brand deals to make money, and that's a major mistake. What happens if the brands stop reaching out? Or if your engagement dips and they pull back? You're left with nothing. Smart creators diversify their income. They use affiliate marketing to earn a commission on products they recommend. They sell digital products like ebooks, presets, and more. Some even offer paid subscriptions through Instagram's subscriber feature. Relying only on sponsorships is like standing a camel on one leg, unstable and risky. Instead, build multiple income streams so you're protected and profitable. Brand deals are great, but they should be part of your monetization plan, not the whole thing. Mistake number 3. Ignoring Instagram insights. Here's a hard truth. If you're not checking your Instagram insights, you're flying blind. Instagram gives you powerful analytics for free, but most creators ignore them. Want to know which post drove the most clicks, which story made people swipe away, or what time your followers are most active? It's all in your insights. By analyzing this data, you can make smarter content decisions that lead to better engagement and better monetization results. Instead of guessing what works, start using numbers. Test, track, improve. The algorithm rewards relevance, and relevance comes from knowing your audience. Don't ignore the numbers, embrace them. Mistake number 4. Breaking Instagram rules. This is the silent killer, violating Instagram's policies. Buying fake followers, using copyrighted music, posting misleading content, these can all get you shadow banned or even permanently banned. If your engagement suddenly drops or your content stops appearing in Explore or hashtags, chances are you've been flagged. Not only does this destroy your reach, but it also kills monetization potential. No brand wants to work with a flagged account. Keep it clean. Read the community guidelines. Use royalty-free music. Don't fake your numbers. Your credibility is your currency. Protect it at all costs. Play by the rules, and the platform will reward you.